ugly as fuck.
Is it the lighting? Day number 2. Like drink breakfast. I mean, your breakfast, drink hot chocolate, and I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna go see the Golden Gate Bridge. Let's go. Ready? Woo! Alright, now we ready to go. Look at my babies. You're ready to go? Oh shit, that looks lit from this. Oh, that's cool. Wow, that's freaking cool. Oh my god. That's dope. Bonita, can look, babies, you're under the bridge. Under? I mean you're on the bridge.
San Francisco, here we are. San Francisco, here we are.
It's a cute house. Pink house. I like when it's. I think the artist is called like Finch or something like that. What?
In front of you.
Ah, bruh. This is cute. Oh, this shoes is so nice. Let's go, guys. Ooh. Woo! Sheesh. Look. It's literally like a diagonal line. Woohoo! Ooh. Views. Guys, this is the Lombard Street. Kinda dope. My bonita, she met a wiener, and then like she's been getting really well with her eating dogs, you know? How bonita? Yeah. What can you say about bonita, huh?
She's better. She's better, I guess.
Right.
Not my level.
We get it. Oh yeah, Kai's always been really good.
Yeah, I just
Bonita just needs a little work. Well, you're good at bonita. You've been getting better. Good. Progress. Wow. Oh my goodness. They're doing a lot. Good. Oh, it looks so dope. Wow. Woo! Alright guys, we here. We are here. Let's go.
This is crazy.
You don't see architecture like this in Los Angeles. Yeah.
Seriously though.
Hey, bonita, look, it's a Naruto shirt. But that's dope though, bruh. Woo! Oh, look!
Those look cute.
Bruh! That's freaking cute.
Bro, those look nice.
That's
I like
dope.
the color.
Hello, El. Oh my goodness.
Oh
This
look,
is dope.
should I get this?
What is it? Is it the...
It's the Alcazar thing.
Whoa. Alcatraz.
Alcatraz.
A little shopping. This is cool. That's dope. Oh, the puzzle pieces. Do you see the giant shoe? That's cool. Ooh. We here. Guys, this looks dope. It looks dope. Oh, love it. Ooh, look bonita. Oh my goodness. Look at my tiny baby mama. Oh, bonita, look at the water baby. Look at the boat, my mama. Oh, this is freaking dope. Look, my mama. Oh my goodness. Hey guys. Okay, so right here we're at Fisherman Wharf. Look guys, that's so cute.
Oh, excited! We ordered pizza at this place called Cybel's Pizza. So we're gonna get some like pizza for me and my sister, my parents, and my brother. I told you they got like this they got seafood, right? You guys got seafood?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got seafood. So yeah, excited. And it looks so cute. Hell yeah! Say cheese.
Oh my goodness. Bonita sleeping on Kai. The zizzies.
Alright guys, we got pizza from Cybel's. Cybel's, I think that's how it's called. Cute, huh? And then we'll show you guys how their sweater's gonna look like, huh, Leah? They're gonna see how they look like with their new outfits that we got them. Joji. Mira. Look at almost. Alan, look.
Oh yeah.
Little,
That's so cute.
aw, Joji. Look at her awkward. I love it. Oh my goodness,
She's like, I'm not gonna
Joji.
give you
Matching Joji's.
Did you get one from Bonita?
No, because
You'll
they have
see.
another one.
Oh my god.
Super cute, right?
That's
And
like,
then look,
oh my god.
se ajusta aquí.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
by the
adorable,
front,
right?
though, it's
That
good.
is so cute.
I love it.
Oh my
Look, you like it?
And it's warm and nice.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Es como le quedan a bonita.
Yeah, I like her. That's why I got it. I got it because of the sweaters.
Yeah.
She's really rock sweater.
Escape from Alcatraz, San Francisco.
Ah.
And she's gonna wear this in the lake. We're gonna be like,
Oh, they're gonna be like, hey, I. Look, she's still there.
Is that good?
and then Mia, right?
Let's say
So,
something.
yeah, adorable, huh? All right, all might. Ooh, big.
An Alcatraz
Cute.
ashtray. It
I
has
like
little,
it.
little divots for.
That's dope. 4 paintbrushes. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, B, that's dope,
Para
Dad.
construcción.
That's gang. That's dope. What the heck?
For paintbrush.
Woo!
It looks so cool.
Nice, Dad. That's like a whole fit. That's like a painter's fit right there. Gang, Dad.
Where's the little combo?
Joji's still there.
She's like,
Woo, the fit. Okay, Dad. Okay. Ah, the chanclas. Oh, bonita.
Pero mira, le queda
Okay,
bien.
Jenny, mamá.
Su hoodie.